What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm assuming a lot of you guys went ahead and clicked on this video because just like me, the hood on your E46 tends to fall down or intermittently just tend to fail. So say for example you're working on it, it'll just slowly creep down and just randomly fall. And this could actually be a really big safety hazard, especially when you're working on your car. And of course, as I'm recording the video, the hood just wants to stay open, but typically this hood will tend to just sag a bit low, just like this, and then it'll eventually just creep, and then it'll eventually just slam closed. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix that. So typically, the main culprit for this issue is a failing hood strut. And typically, it's only usually one of them that fails. That's why it tends to hesitate to fall back down. So typically, usually one of them fails, and then the other one is holding the weight of the whole hood, and that's why it feels kind of weak to hold up, or it doesn't come up with much confidence. And you can typically tell which one failed just by looking at it very closely and looking for a bunch of goop or like slime or kind of like oil or grease that's built up on top of the strut. See, like this one right here has a bunch at the top over here. Even at the bottom around here it has a bunch. So I'm assuming this one is the one that failed, but generally when you're doing a job like this, you just want to go ahead and replace both, because if one failed, then that one's probably soon to go as well. And the best part about this job, to remove the struts, is actually extremely easy, and all you need to get it done is a really small flathead. So say the strut sits on the hood like this. How you want to remove it is actually extremely easy. Let me move the light this way. All you want to do is to stick the flathead into this groove part right here, and it's basically held on like this clip. I don't know if you can see it on the back, but basically if you stick the flathead in, you can just push this part up, and then it basically opens the lock, which will let you release it from the hood. And basically it uses this locking mechanism on each side of the strut. Alright guys, and just like that, that's how you fix and replace your faulty hood latches on your E46's hood. And just to quickly test it, let's put it around halfway and see if it pushes it up. Yeah, it goes up. A lot faster and a lot stronger as well. And it's also a lot harder to pull the hood back down, so you know it's doing its job really well. So now I can comfortably work on my car while knowing my car's not going to try to eat me alive while I'm under the hood. So I hope this DIY helped you guys out. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can just leave them down below and I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you guys want to see more of my car, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it on the page right here. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.